We are taking a look at the Marvue V80 Full HD digital video recording camcorder and what you get out of the box. You get software for your PC, you get an instruction manual, you get a spare back cover, a lithium battery and charger for the external battery that is included, a 2-in-1 AV and USB cable, HDMI cable. It also comes inside this nice little snug case that you can store your camcorder in. You also get a K701 lithium ion battery. It measures out at a width of 2.3 inches, a height of 4.4 inches, and diameter of 0.77 inches, and has 3.5 inch 960 by 240 pixel screen. Has a lens of 4.76 millimeter and a fixed lens focal latitude of 1.5 to infinity, and next to the lens a microphone. Tripod socket, S6 SD card, not to mention it comes built with 128 megabytes of flash memory. Has a USB and HDMI port. To turn on the camcorder, rotate the screen up. On the base of the camcorder, you have the power indicator, delete button, lock button, 2 speakers, navigation button, OK and record button, mode button to switch between video, photo, and settings, and the playback button. In settings, you have the option of controlling volume, TV input using NTSC or PAL, Hertz with 50 Hz or 60 Hz, formatting the camcorder, setting the date and time, and controlling zoom range. Pictures can be shot in 60 megapixels or 5 megapixels. Videos can be shot in AVI, 1080p with 30 frame rates per second, 720p with 60 frame rates per second, 720p with 30 frame rates per second, WVGA with 60 frame rates per second, and QVGA with 120 frame rates per second. Alright guys, this is recording in 720p, 30 frame rates per second. So this is how it looks on the Nikon Coolpix L840. Okay guys, this is recording in 1080p and there's no audio editing or video editing in here, so this is raw video.